Hello and welcome everyone. এই ভিডিওটোত আমি 2001 or Indian polity question can discuss করিম. So let's see. So the first question is functions of Public Service Commission are dealt with in Article 317 of the Constitution, 318 of the Constitution, 319 of the Constitution or 320 of the Constitution. So the correct option will be 320 of the Constitution. Then the first general election in independent India was held in 1951, 1953, 1952 or 1954. So the correct option will be 1951. Then the inaugural meeting of the Constituent Assembly of India was presided over by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Sachidananda Sinha or B.N. Rao. So the correct option will be Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. Then, the first amendment to the Constitution of India was made in 1951, 1957, 1954 or 1960. So the correct option will be 1951. Then, the Cabinet was for the first time accorded legal recognition in Britain in 1914, 1937, 1689 or 1884. So the correct option will be 1937. Next, any dispute relating to the validity of the elections of the Vice President of the Gaon Panchayat under the Assam Panchayat Act of 1994 shall be decided by BDO, Deputy Commissioner, President of the Gaon Panchayat or members of the Gaon Panchayat. So the correct option will be Deputy Commissioner. Then, the sixth schedule to the Constitution of India provides for Panchayati Raj institutions, district councils, borough, autonomous council or northeastern council. So correct option will be borough autonomous council. Then which one of the following is not included as the fundamental duty of the Indian citizen? Options are to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, to uphold and protect the sovereignty and integrity of India, to develop romper temper or to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. So the correct option will be to develop romper temper. It is not included as a fundamental duty. Then, who among the following was not a member of the drafting committee of the Constitution? Options are B.R. Ambedkar, K.M. Munshi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Muhammad Sadullah. So the correct option will be Jawaharlal Nehru. Though he was a member of the Constituent Assembly, but he was not a member of the drafting committee. Then, in which of the following states Article 360 is not applicable? So the options are Nagaland, Jammu and Kashmir, Manipur or Mizoram. So the correct option will be Jammu and Kashmir. So a provision to itia nai since the special status of Jammu and Kashmir has been abolished. So Article 360 is also applicable in Jammu and Kashmir now. Then, Lord Ripon is known as the father of local self-government in India, all India services, hill administration in India or state administration in India. So the correct option will be local self-government in India. Then, three-tier Panchayati Raj system was recommended by Sarkaria Commission, Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, Ashok Mehta Committee or Administrative Reforms Commission. So the correct option will be Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Then, in India, Planning Commission is a constitutional body, extra constitutional body, executive body or mandatory body. So the correct option will be extra constitutional body. Then, Community Development Program is based on the philosophy of Jawaharlal Nehru, B.R. Ambedkar, Gopinath Bordoloi or Mahatma Gandhi. So the answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Then, fundamental duties of Indian citizens are provided by 41st Amendment, 42nd Amendment, 43rd Amendment or 44th Amendment. So the answer is 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. Then, J.M. Lindo was appointed as the Chief Election Commissioner to succeed M. Gill. So, who was appointed as Election Commissioner in place of Lindo? Options are K.C. Mittal, B.B. Tendon, Dr. R.S. Paroda or Dr. S. Ramegoura? Correct option will be B.B. Tendon. So এই কুৱেশ্যনটোৰ ৰিলেভেঞ্চ তেতিয়া আছিল 2001ত। এতিয়া অকল আমি জানিব লাগে প্ৰেজেণ্ট চিফ ইলেকশ্যন কমিশ্যনাৰ আৰু বাকী ইলেকশ্যন কমিশ্যনৰ মেম্বাৰখিনিৰ কথা। So next, the first president of India to be elected unopposed was S. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, N. Sanjeeva Reddy or V.V. Giri. So the correct option will be N. Sanjeeva Reddy. He was the first and also the only president to be elected unopposed. Then, in which year the government of India constituted the Minorities Commission to provide institutional safeguards for the minorities? Options are 1968, 1978, 1988 or 1998. So the correct option will be 1978. Then, the Constituent Assembly was set up according to the proposal of the Cripps Mission Plan, Cabinet Mission Plan, Wavell Plan or Mountbatten Plan. So the correct option will be Cabinet Mission Plan. Next, the conditions of President's office is laid down in the Article 57 of the Constitution, 58 of the Constitution, 59 of the Constitution or 60 of the Constitution. So the correct option will be 59 of the Constitution. Then, the power to nominate 12 members to the Rajya Sabha is laid down in Article 79 of the Constitution, 80 of the Constitution, 81 of the Constitution or 82 of the Constitution. So the correct option will be 80 of the Constitution. Then, the Sarkaria Commission was appointed during the administration of the Prime Minister V.P. Singh, Indira Gandhi, Narasimha Rao or Rajiv Gandhi. So the correct option will be Indira Gandhi. It was appointed in 1983. Then, reservation of seats for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes is dealt with in part 11, 13, 14 or 16 of the Constitution. So the correct option will be 16 of the Constitution. Then, equality before law and equal protection of law is dealt with in Article 13, 14, 15 or 16 of the Constitution. So the correct option will be 14 of the Constitution. Then, which one of the following deals with the Panchayats? Part 6, Part 9, Part 9A or Part 10 of the Constitution? So the correct option will be Part 9 of the Constitution. Then, which one of the following is not correct? Directive principles aim at economic reconstruction. Directive principles aim at establishment of welfare state. Directive principles aim at separation of executive from judiciary, or directive principles aim at safeguarding the freedom of speech and expression. So statement D is not correct because it covers under fundamental rights. Next, administration of union territories is dealt with in Part 8, Part 9, Part 10 or Part 11 of the Constitution. So the correct option will be Part 8 of the Constitution. So at this we come to the end of this video. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe to our channel to get more updates. Thank you.